I just watched the video again and my father died. And while I was watching the video, pag tinignan mo, parang andali lang no? But it's not a walk in the park. Madali lang sa atin mag-host because we've been doing it for a long period of time. Pero magpapasaya ka habang nagdadalamhati yung puso. That's not easy.
To dance with my father again.
Nasa event din kami doon. Tapos sinabi na lang sa akin, binulong na Jam, namatay na yung tatay mo.
When times are hard, I know
Cardiac arrest now. Good thing tapos na din yung event doon. Kaya yung floor manager namin siya, lumapit na lang siya agad sa couple doon. Tapos, in-explain niya na, ma'am, namatay po yung tatay ni host. Tapos yun, umuwi na kami after. Unang gabi, hindi mo na ako umatid ng lamay doon kasi nagdrama-drama muna ako.
Kaninang umaga na balitaan ko na yun nga, condolence, host jam condolence. Ang dami, pagsubok na naman. Pero nung dumating na at naramdaman ko, andun si host jam, wow. Professionalism, how she handle. Namatayan ba? No? Naramdaman mo?
Hindi.
But of course, condolence. Pero thank you so much.
Thank you.
Great event.
Kumbaga very professional talaga yung dating niya.
Doon mo makikita talaga na professional talaga na siya. Ibig sabihin, kahit na anong mangyari, must go on. Host Jam, ikaw ang the best.
The best.
Sobrang professional si Host Jam talaga mag-handle ever since. Hindi mo talaga makikita sa kanya yung nangyari today.
Even nasa pagsubok siya, napaka-professional niya.
The show must go on.
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Jam. You're the best. Ikaw.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng mga nakiramay.
Sabi ko nga doon na he wants us to be happy kasi yung papa ko magaling siya magpatawa as in magaling yung sense of humor niya. And if he's here right now, he's gonna sympathize with you, but he knows that you have to keep moving forward. He wants me to remember and to live what he taught me, to heed the lesson from the misfortunes and the challenges, and to be stronger than we were yesterday. That's why even though he's not around anymore, yung mga naturo niyang aral, yan yung mananatili sa akin.
Thank you for sending your condolences and sympathies. It's giving us comfort and love in tough times like this. He has taught us a lot of things and shared a lot of happy moments with us. So on this last night, let us celebrate his life.
Maraming mga nag-speech doon, makikita mo kung gaano kabait na yung tatay mo.
Nagsimula po ako sa Cavite na walang-wala po akong kakakilala. Wala po akong matutuluyan. Isa po siyang lumampot sa akin. Isa po siyang nagyaya sa akin, Balong, sa bahay ka na. Doon ko na lubos na nakilala na kahit na walang-wala ako, hindi po nila akong tinuring ibang tao.
I will not be able to achieve any humble achievements that I have right now if not without Papa, if not for Papa. Let us not move on from his loss. Let us move forward with him.
Salamat po sa lahat po ng nagpunta. Natin. Hindi ko matanggap. Alam po ito ipalabing bukas. Wala bukas. Hindi mo mapagdampi. Mama bukas. Wala bukas.
Ayaw niya pag-ibig.
We want you to be happy too. I want you to know that we support you. And Papa wants you to be happy.
The next day is my flight. I was able to host the wedding in South Korea. And then after nun, kasi yung booking ko nun is 7 days. Because the client treat us with a trip. So, enjoy. Pero nung time na hindi na kami magkakasama, nung mga guests, and then yung client, mag-isa na lang ako nun kasi wala din yung team. Iyak ang lola mo, girl. Nasa accommodation ako mag-isa. Talagang iyak ka na naman eh. Ayun, pero hindi siya natatapos nun sa naman. Nitong January 1, naalala na naman namin si Papa. Iyak na naman. That's life. We smile and we cry. We laugh. We get sad. There's black and white. There's positive and negative. I know that it's not the main reason to be sad and to cry. Pero every time na nag-host ako ng wedding, tapos may father-daughter dance, parang nakakalungkot. Pag naisip mo na, wala na akong father-daughter dance. Naisip mo na, wala na pala akong tatay na pagka naiyak ka ng ganyan, iiyak ka pa sa'yo, or wala ka na palang tatay na magbibigay na advice. My best advisor, or kahit mga simple things, may kita mo, halimbawa, yung host jam na design sa bahay, siya yung nagbigay nun. Siya yung nagpagawa nun. Kapag makikita mo yun, or any simple things which will remind him of you. Kahit matagal na, parang nasa roller coaster of emotion pa rin na, oo nga pala, wala na.
Still always be your daddy's little angel.
So while you're still with your dads, laugh louder. Smile more. Hug them more often. Say, I love you. Because those moments are what truly matters. To all the dads, happy Father's Day.